Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Cambodian pizza. One of the main ingredients is Cambodian jam. It's very fresh. And the ingredient is very simple and I already listed. And I also peel and wash our vegetable already. So let us prepare. Now we start chopping our snack beans and make sure that you slide it as thin as you can. With spring onion, the same. You try to chop as I show you. And for the garlic, you can either chop it with the knife or you can use the machine. For me, I use the knife because it's not as much that we need to use the machine. Yeah. Now we grate our carrot, and then you can chop it with a knife or you chop it with the scissors. With the Cambodian jam, you do the same. Yeah, just grate it first and then chop it with the knife. With onion, you can chop it the way I do and trying to do it as minute as small as you can. And you can use the machine if you like. The vegetable already prepared. Try to use different vegetable with different color to make the texture look really good when you make the pizza. Now you can start mixing the meat with the vegetable. First of all, you put all the vegetable in the meat all together. After that, we try to put our dry ingredients in. Okay, first of all, you put the black pepper, sugar, chicken stock, corn flours or tapioca flours, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Then we mix all the ingredients together until it mix well. And then you put 2 eggs in, and then try to mix the eggs well together with the big G and the meat. And finally you add some sesame oil to give it to taste. Now you try to mix it together. That's it. We start to spread the paste onto the French stick or the bread slices. Don't put it too thick because it make it cook longer. Okay, make it thinner like the way I do, and then you spread it on the bread slices. You can cut the bread slices into square shapes or triangle shapes. It's up to you. Okay, and don't spread it too thick either. Now we have done the spreading on our bread and French stick already. So now it's time for us to fry it. So with the oil you can do some testing. You put one piece of bread, when it float up quickly, that means it's done. So now when you cook the bread roll or the slices, you have to face the meat side first because the meat need to cook it first. First of all, you put the temperature is high. So when you start cooking, you turn it low down until it's medium or a bit higher than medium. Okay. So you know if the bread brown quickly, that means your temperature is not right. Okay. Now all our bread already cooked, so you can serve it with hot chili or sweet chili sauce. It's very yummy. Now the way I put on the air fried. Okay, if you don't want it deep fried, you can put in air fried. So air fried, I cook. If you put one layer, you cook 8 minutes. When you put 2 layers in the air fryer, you cook 12 to 15 minutes in the same temperature. When it's halfway, you better swap the side, the top to the bottom to the top to cook evenly. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you.